a pleasure to have all the domain experts before us.
May please.
Wait, please allow.
My lords, in this, may I summarize for your lordships what the short issue for your lordships kind
I'm
consideration
going to
is?
say that. I'm going to do
I
that.
thought, no, my lords,
No,
would
I'm
your
arguing on both sides. So if I point out, both will have to respond.
my lords, may I only say, subject to what your lordship says, possibly if we were to start and sum up the case as it is and the issues which arise, then the SG also, because at some level, the Union of India is also an interested party in the matter. It's not that they don't have a stake, because there are, after all, so many public sectors and others. If we could set out the case, I thought that would be the better course to take.
But the only thing which we'd like to say is that, the hearings have to conclude by tomorrow. We're not
Yes.
going to go to a third day.
Yes.
But I
So
believe,
the time schedules which have been given entail that we'll go into the next week, which is just not possible. 3 benches are broken up. So
yes.
everybody has
But
to.
I can
Whereas we'll
assure
be
my learned
conscious
friend,
the
I'm not
issue is short.
I'm just sharing with my learned colleagues, we just completed hearing in the Tola group of matters.
Yes.
The income tax batch of 700 cases. What happens is that more and more counsel, it becomes repetitive and almost you suffer from intellectual fatigue at the end of the matter. So, it's important that you must, otherwise everybody tries to say something
I can
new,
assure my
not
learned
realizing that that's really terrible.
No, I have no doubts about that, of the fairness of the SG, my lords. I have no doubt about that. All that I'm saying is if at least the petitioners can open and set up the
I am a
case.
petitioner.
In-
Railways is the petitioner, the reference is
Now,
the railways.
can you
petition.
not
I don't
sort
want
this
to
out
be
between
technical.
yourselves instead of us having to?
I don't wish to join.
Intellectual exercise on who the petitioner is.
No, my lord. There was, my lord, a judgment in Tatia. And in Tatia, railway was the petitioner. The court dismissed the matter on the merits of that case, but said that we do not agree with core judgment. And therefore, my lord, my learned friend appeared, my lord, for the railways. And that is how matter was referred. That's too technical, my lord, for me to say that I'm the
Can we suggest this? Mr. Banerjee, suppose you open right now, you conclude by lunch today.
Yes,
Hmm?
I'll do that.
Neeraj will give you 1 hour after lunch.
Very well.
And then the others must all wrap up by between 3 and 4.
Right.
All right. So this
right.
side is over.
Right.
Solicitor, we give you between tomorrow morning and lunch. You conclude by lunch. You have set to 120 minutes. Say by 12:30 if you conclude.
I won't take even that much.
All right. Perfect.
And he could have called me, my lord. I would have adjusted my today, my lord. He has thrown a surprise to me, my lord,
And
that he would like to begin, my lord, because the time sheet.
Say in the first session, say around 12:30, and as you fairly stated that it might be even earlier.
It might be earlier, my lord, if your
might
lordship.
get over much earlier.
I'll be.
And then the rest
I'll
of this
be, my
side
lord,
gets
taking-
over by 4
But
o'clock.
itself, for your lordship, it's too petty, my lord, to argue who argues first. Your lordships may take, my lord, that call. But I can't.
May I just, my lord, then just indicate what is the issue? And I will, my lord, deal with some of the points the learned SG has also, my lord, very fairly stated in his written submissions. My lord, the reference arises.
My lord, in that case, but just, my lord, for my understanding, my lord, our turn may not come today, my lord, that's.
We take it that, this side will completely be done today. Whoever remains.
On any side, my lord, therefore,
Right.
I just want to.
And so that we will request you to open the case at 10:30 tomorrow morning.
Whichever, your lordships, my lord, are the final, my lord.
10:30, whether they have all finished or not, 10:30 tomorrow morning.
In that case, my lord, like, my lord, in school days, we used to have, my lord, sudden holiday being declared, and, my lord, today, it's declared holiday for me, my lord.
Yes.
My learned friend, my lord,
Smith Style Studio, where your soul let it shine. Fashion is state of mind. Every stitch, every seam. Live your life, chase the dream.
Make a good look great with Smith Style Studio.
Smith.
beg it higher.
For me, madam.
Butterflies
My learned friend.
in spring. Talk about love, and they have a thing.
Good night, Ria.
Do you see what I
Unbelievable.
Enjoy a silent drive. It's unbelievable. It's strong hybrid.
दोस्तों, एक पानी की बोतल की कीमत कब तक रहती है? जब तक उसके अंदर पानी होता है। एक बार पानी पीने के बाद लोग बोतल को फेंक दिया करते हैं। इसी तरीके से दोस्तों, पानी की बोतल के अंदर जो पानी होती है ना, उसकी वैल्यू होती है। आज के जमाने में आपके अंदर क्या वैल्यू है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्या आज 2024 के हिसाब से आप रेडी हो? क्या आपके अंदर AI, चैट GPT और MS ऑफिस जैसी स्किल्स है जो सबसे ज्यादा डिमांड में है? और अगर आपके अंदर AI और चैट GPT जैसी स्किल्स नहीं है,
if your lordship take an order today, my application will be infructuous. I am saying kindly defer the issue of grant of help for
बिल्कुल विश्वास। ये एक सपने की तरह है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये सपना कभी खत्म ना हो। मुझे इस पर अब भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा। ये ख्वाब की तरह है। जी हाँ, एक ख्वाब ही
यहाँ उन पलों के गवाह हैं जब जापान में रहने वाला बेटा 19 साल के लंबे अंतराल के बाद पंजाब में अपने पिता से जापान में पैदा हुए रिंता कहा था 2 साल के थे जब उनके माता पिता का तलाक हो गया। सुखपाल सिंह अब पंजाब के अमृतसर में रहते हैं। पहले वो जापान में रहते थे। साल 2002 में उन्होंने एक जापानी महिला से शादी की थी, लेकिन कुछ साल बाद दोनों अलग हो गए। साल 2007 में जापान से भारत आने के बाद सुखपाल का अपने बेटे और पत्नी से कोई संपर्क नहीं था। राखी के त्योहार पर अपने पिता से मिलने वाले रिन को न केवल पिता मिले बल्कि एक छोटी बहन और नए परिवार से भी उनकी मुलाकात हुई। सुखपाल सिंह के लिए अपने बेटे से ये मुलाकात उस सपने की तरह है जिसे वो कभी खत्म नहीं होने देना चाहते। रिंता कहा था उन पलों को याद करते हैं जब उन्होंने अपने पिता को पूछने का फैसला किया था।
जब मैं क्लास में माय फैमिली ट्री के बारे में लिखा करता था तो एहसास होता था कि मैं ही।
One second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Yes.
You want to move an application?
No, my lord.
File an application. What I told Mr. Rodgi applies to you.
No, my lord, the question is, my lord,
There's no question. You've got
my friend has come.
Mr. Nedumbara, 1 second.
Yes.
You've got my decision as Chief Justice. We are not hearing you. If you want to file an application, move it on the email. That's the rule in this court. No further.
We will go by what your lordship please. Whatever your lordship says, we go by that.
You want another contempt notice?
No, my lord, your lordship will go by
You have
whatever
had
your
enough
lordship
to take
says.
Bombay.
Only